Step 2. How to set up your blog even with no computer skills. Within step 2, I'm going to go through the full process and try and be as quick as possible to show you just how quick and easy it is to get set up today. So, how can you get set up even if you have no computer skills? Well, follow along. First and foremost, I love Bluehost.com. I've used them for all of my websites. And so I have a link here, rushbeyond.com/Bluehost, that you can dive into, and it'll take you over to some great web hosting, and they have great customer service as well. And I'm going to show you how to easily jump into WordPress and get that connected as well. So at this point, rushbeyond.com/Bluehost, hit enter. This will take you right over to bluehost.com where we can get started. So click Get Started Now. There's a couple different plans. You're going to want to choose what is best for you. They have a couple different features here if you want to look through that. Here they have the most recommended. So I'm going to select that. Within this course, I'm just going to run with rushnomad.com. I actually already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in with that. You're going to be asked a variety of different questions, different plans that you might want to pick out. So anywhere from 12 to 60 months, and then your credit card information, and then go ahead and hit submit. So here I'm logged in. You can see rushnomad.com is available. Going to click on that. It's in my cart. Hit next. As you're going to register this domain, it will give you a couple options, such as whether you want to auto renew, some different privacy settings that you can set right away. It will ask you to agree to the terms of service. And here I have it in my cart. I'm actually going to go ahead and buy this. And there you have it. I bought this, and I will have this for at least a year. And so right here, I can assign this domain name. I'm going to choose Rush Nomad. This will be an add-on. And then assign this domain. And so I have quite a few different domain names, but for Rush Nomad right now it's currently unassigned. So it's currently unassigned. I'm going to go find Rush Nomad. And so now we can see that Rush Nomad is an add-on. So at this point, go ahead and click on your hosting tab, and then we can easily install WordPress. If you scroll down here, just with a click of a button, hit Install WordPress right here. Find the domain, find your domain. Mine is rushnomad.com. You can hire someone to do this for you, but hopefully after I show you, you're going to see exactly what you need to do. So hit next, confirm that it's safe. Here's my admin and my password, so I'll go ahead and change this real fast. And we're plugging right along, 45% done. Here it's going to give you a lot of options for different themes, and you can easily buy these. There are a lot of free tools as well, which we'll cover in a little bit. So at this point, now I have rushnomad.com and then /WordPress admin, and this is where I'm going to log in. So you're going to want to follow along exactly with your website and do this as well. So my username was my email address, and then enter in my password. And at this point, this is the very first look at rushnomad.com. This is a personal website, and we'll dive in here a little bit further, but this will be your dashboard that you're going to be working out of as you're building your blog. So it might seem interesting at first and a little bit overwhelming, but we'll easily go through and make sure you feel comfortable. And so just like that, you've already jumped in, started your blog, registered your domain name, and set up WordPress within one click. We're well on our way to getting your travel blog all set up.